Well, there's nothing quite like the sound of a thud of a bird hitting your plate glass window, flying into the reflection that they see in the glass. And you can see it here, even with the drapes closed, there is some reflection. But these eyes, which mimic predator eyes or owl eyes, give birds a second thought about flying into this glass. And I've had numerous hits previous to putting these up, and I have much fewer collisions now. And these have been on the door for about 4 years, and there's no fading at all. And I'll show you the prototype in a minute, and you can see that if you create these at home with some construction paper, eventually they're going to fade and lose their effectiveness. But they seem to work pretty well. I've had far fewer collisions. It's not perfect, but it's a big improvement over not having them at all. So check it out. Check out the website, shoehoots.com, and get yourself a pair of these today and try them out.